Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to show or hide group tab in Chrome browser. So let's see. Very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and then come straight all the way down to settings right here. And then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to appearance. Then it takes you right here. Next, so under the appearance section right here, what you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you see show tab groups in bookmark. Simply disable it. And once you disable it, by the time you go to your bookmark group, it's going to be hide. If you turn it on again, it showed. If you disable it, it hide. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply show or hide your tab group in bookmarks in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.